So my question is, what do you think is the biggest challenge for the industry at the moment, and what suggestions might you have for it?
Ooh, this is a really big question, right? Challenges in the industry. I think there's a lot of challenge. There's a lot of different challenges, but I think if I had one to bring up based on my experience is it's not technology, the advancement, the innovation that's happening today. I think it's sufficient to solve a lot of the different major issues in the world. But the biggest challenge is like us human beings, right? We need some time to actually adapt and adopt this technology. It's more like a change management kind of thing. So for example, like I deal with government accounts in Hong Kong. I work with the different bureaus. You can imagine the police department, the fire services department, all of them are already using something to help them run their operations, right? But you can imagine that, when you actually understand, hey, they actually have a pain point in that. But when you tell them to change the way of working to make it better, they'll be like, no, that's not how it works. Yeah. So it's a lot of the times it's really more on the people and the process, the changing that part. I think that's where the biggest challenge is. So the better that we can change ourselves and have an open mind, then I think a large part of the barrier can actually be broken down, and a lot of things in this world can be run much more efficiently in that sense. Does that make sense? Yeah, I know it's a bit broad. I answered it a bit broad, but at least from my perspective, it's not really a technology standpoint that is the biggest challenge. The main challenge is us adapting to the technology and how we see value in that.